Good day, everyone. I am here on a random Thursday for a new Halloween Horror Nights update. We just got our second maze announced, which is Halloween, which is the same maze or same story as the 2015 maze. And we will see what they do this year. So with that, let's get right into the video. Breath, but here's that western town that could be seen over by the Fast and the Furious Supercharged on the studio tour. And if you look at that little pathway in the middle, it looks like a tram will be able to fit through it, and it kind of curves towards War of the Worlds so that it could turn into it. Then it curves outwards towards the entrance of Fast and the Furious Supercharged. So we will see what it will be for. The Halloween facade now has picket fencing around the house and is being painted white. A lot of work has been done since last Saturday when I was here.
And you can stay updated on our
Alright, here's a look at Halloween.
Have a wonderful rest of your day here.
Large walls and some pillars are now up for the Waterworld maze. Hopefully we'll be able to peek around the other side, but it's gonna be getting dark soon. Waterworld just let out, and this is the look of the facade or entryway for the Waterworld maze. Not much to be seen right now, but hopefully soon. Wood is starting to go vertical for the Transformers maze. Let's get on the studio tour and get a closer look.
Genius.
Alright, here we have behind the Curious George, or behind Transformers, not Curious George.
We actually got our broadcast TV debut with the opening day ceremony.
This is a long maze.
New York World Fair.
Look how tall it is.
We've been in the TV game for a while, and it's just been a lot of hits ever since.
Here's some Halloween merch at Production Central. We have t-shirts, that's blacklight reactive, an ornament. And over here, we have Universal Monsters Legends Collide with a nice shirt and another ornament. So Parisian Courtyards facade looks near completion. I don't think we'll have any new updates for this location until the maze is announced, because it looks pretty done. For Universal Monsters Legends Collide, it looks almost completed, and it looks incredible. There's this big chain hanging from the middle of the facade, and just the detail in it looks amazing. Here's a better shot of the front of the maze with that vehicle. It looks really, really cool. Excited to see what this maze will be and when they will announce it.